Value education, be valued live sporty. Welcome to Reference Frame, a lighthouse of mathematics.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's tutorial of reference frame. Hope all of you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah during this lockdown situation while you stay at home, and hope all of your family members are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So kids, today I'm here with algebraic problems. Specifically, if I want to say, the specific topic is going to be algebraic formulae. I got a lot of requests that you're facing problems with algebraic formulae. That's while you're going to solve problem related to algebraic formulae, then you just being confused that how to apply the algebraic formulae and when to apply which formulae. So I'm here today to discuss about those kind of thing, that how to apply the algebraic formulae more smartly and when to apply it. Okay, so here we just need to keep one thing in our mind, that we just need to focus on the destination. Destination means that we're asked to find and our given value. That means that we're given based on that, based on which information we need to reach into our destination. Okay, so please don't be panic. So in our these sequences, this is a consequences of several lectures or several tutorials. In our these consequences, inshallah, we're gonna discuss about algebraic formulae of order 2. Algebraic formulae of order 2. We're gonna discuss about the algebraic formulae of order 3 in some other tutorials after finishing the consequences of algebraic formulae of order 2. Okay, so please be with me till the end to get or to be benefited. I hope inshallah if you will be with me till the end, all of you will be benefited by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, so let's move to start. Okay, there you can see in the screen that we are given some values. A plus b is equals to 8 and a minus b is equals to 4. As you can see here, look here. Okay, what we're asked to find, the value of a square plus b square. So look, when we're asked to find the value of a square plus b square, in our first thought, look here, we're asked to find this. In our first thought, the formula that appear, which is basically the corollary of a square plus b square, which is a plus b whole square minus twice ab, and another one is a minus b whole square plus twice ab. Look, if we apply any of the two formula, here we just can use the value of either a plus b or a minus b. A plus b for the first one and a minus b for the second one. That means the value of av, which is unknown to us. That is why we need to think something different. Okay, then what will be that? Okay, we need to be smart. Look here, we have another formula related to a plus b and a minus b. That means according to the given value, and the formula is 2 into a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, as you can see here. Okay, as you can see on the cursor. So if we can apply the formula, then we can use the given value directly. Okay, let us move to apply the formula. So look, we need 2 for that. That is why we introduce half into 2 into a square plus b square as it is. Look, 2 and a half, they omit each other. That means the value remain as it is. Now we can apply the corollary 2 into a square plus b square, which is a plus b whole square minus plus a minus b whole square. Now what we need to do, we just need to put down this value. Okay, so let us put down the value before we're going to apply the formula. So look, by applying formula, half remain as it is. So instead of this part, 2 into a square plus b square, okay, as you can see, we just apply the corollary, which is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square from here. Now we need to put down the form value. Okay, just put down the value. Let us move. Okay, whenever you put down the value, look, value of a plus b, which is given as 8, and a minus b, which is given as 4. So after putting down the value, we just get a situation like this. Okay, let us move forward. Now calculation 8 square, which is 64. Here it is, plus 4 square, which is 16. Now 64 plus 16, that gives us 80. So look, half into 80, ultimately our result gonna be 40. So look, whenever you're gonna solve any kind of algebraic problem regarding the formulae, especially of second order or third order, whatever it is, then we just need to look at the destination and at the given value and to relate between them. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Okay, look here, what we're given here, the same given information, a plus b is equals to 8 and a minus b is equals to 4. So look, in our first approach, that the formula that we thought in our first order, which is 8 into ab into a square plus b square. So here we can apply the corollary of ab, which is a plus b by 2 whole square plus a minus b by 2 whole square, but it's as you can see here. Okay, or we can apply the corollary of a square plus b square, just like the previous problem. But what did I say? I told you that we just need to relate between the given value and our destination. Look at our destination. What is our destination here? Here our destination is 8 into 8ab into a square plus b square, and the given value is a plus b and a minus b. So if we just shuffle them, then we can apply some other formula more smartly. Okay, how? Look, we can write down 4ab as 2 into 4ab and a square plus b square as it is. Okay, so let's have a look. How can we write it? Look, this is the outlook. 4ab, which can be written as 8ab, which can be written as 2 into 4ab, which is ultimately 8ab, and a square plus b square as it is. Now we just reorder them, because look, if we're going to multiply 2 into 3, that will result as 6. If we do the converse, that means 3 into 2, that will give me the same result, 6. So all we need to do here, look, 2 into 4ab into a square plus b square. We just need to shuffle them. We're going to write 4ab into 2 into a square plus b square. Now you may ask me question, how can we understand that we need to shuffle them? Just look at here. Here we need the corollary for 4ab, which is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, and we know another corollary, which is twice into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So if we just shuffle them, then we're gonna have that kind of outlook. Okay, let us shuffle them. Look, by shuffling them, we're gonna have 4ab into 2 into a square plus b square. Now look, instead of 4ab, we can apply the formula which is marked as 8, and instead of 2 into a square plus b square, we can apply the corollary which is marked as number 9. So okay, just apply the corollary now. Whenever we can apply the corollary, look, the white part is, instead of white part, 4ab, which is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, into, instead of this green portion or light green portion, we just write it down, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. The side note is given below, given on the right. The corollary we apply here. Now all we need to do, we just need to put down the value. Look, this makes our problem more easier. So what is the value here? Value of a plus b, which is given as 8, and value of a minus b, which is given as 4. So if we just put down the value, we're going to get an outlook like that. 8 square minus 4 square into 8 square plus 4 square. Look here, the second bracket is a must. Here the second bracket is a must. If we do not put down the second bracket, which is known as parenthesis, okay, if we do not put down the parenthesis or second bracket here you will get a big 0. Okay, now look, what is the value of 8 square? The value of 8 square, which is 64, and the value of 4 square, which is 16. So by doing that, what are you gonna get? Look here, 64 minus 16 into 64 plus 16 from the green portion. Now from the white portion, 64 minus 16 results 48 into 64 plus 16, that results 80. And by multiplying both of them, we're gonna get a result 3840. Okay, that means we have reached into our destination. Okay, let us move into our next problem. Look here, the same given value. This time we just asked to find a value of a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Here it should be mentioned that we can use the value of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so now just let us think, how can we solve it? Look, we do not know any formula for order 4. That means all we need to do, we need to reduce them into order 2. That means look here, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. As far as you know all the formula for order 2, that means square, so we need to reduce them into square. So how? Look, instead of this one we can write a square whole square minus b square whole square, as you can see. Okay, because look, 2 2s are 4, index over index gonna be multiplied, b square whole square is gonna be 4 as well. Okay, now let us move. We can use the formula a square minus b square, where a square works as a and b square works as b. Okay, so if we're gonna apply the formula that you can see on the right, that means a square minus b square is gonna be a plus b into a minus b. Okay, let us apply the formula. By applying formula, we get a situation like this: a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Okay, now we can apply corollary here for and formula. That means we can apply two things here. For the white portion we can apply the corollary, and for the red portion we can apply the formula. But look here, again for the white portion, just like the problem 1, a square plus b square, if we apply the corollary directly, then again we do not know the value of ab. That is why we're gonna again introduce half and 2. And for the green portion we're gonna apply the corollary directly, the formula directly. Okay, let us know. So look, we can write it in this form: half into 2 into a square plus b square, just like the problem 1. And for this portion, as you can see, this is obtained by a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Now look, for this light blue portion we can apply the formulae or corollary, as you can see here, corollary 9. Okay, let us apply that. By applying the corollary, we're gonna get half into a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, just like problem 1. And into, instead of a plus b, we just put down the value 8, into instead of a minus b, we just put down the value which is 4. Now we'll put down the value of a plus b into and a minus b on the next line. Okay, let us move. So there we get, by putting down the value, half into 8 square plus 4 square into 8 4s are 32, as you can see here. Okay, 8 square which is 64 and 4 square which is 16. Okay, let us move into the next line. As you can see, for this portion, 8 square 64, 4 square 16, and look, we cut down this 32 with 2 and we get 16. So here 80 into 16, we're gonna get the result 1280. 1280 is our desired result. Okay, so we have solved. Just look at the problem. All you need to do, well, what we are doing, we just have matched the destination with the formula. We just try to relate the given information with the expression that we were asked to find, with the objectives that we were asked to find. Okay, let us move into the next problem. This time we're asked to find the value of a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. So like the previous one, we just need to reduce them into order 2, that means into second order. Okay, so this is just like the previous one. Okay, now look, for this portion we can apply the corollary. Here a square works as a, just like the previous one, b square works as b. So a square plus b square, we can apply the corollary. Here you should keep it in mind here, when you're going to reduce the index, that means from 4 to 2, from 6 to 3, whatever it is, you always apply the corollary of plus one first. Okay, that means we always apply the corollary of a plus b whole square minus twice ab. That means corollary 6th first. Okay, let us move. By applying this one, what are you gonna get? Instead of this part, we're gonna get this one: a square plus b square minus 2 into a square b square. That means a square plus b square whole square, just like this one. Okay, as you can see on the side note with the golden color. Okay, look inside the bracket. For this light blue color, we can apply the corollary again. Okay, but here if we apply the corollary again, there will be a bit tough, or rather we're gonna concise it. Okay, let us move. For this portion, we're gonna get a square plus b square. For this we can write a plus b whole square minus twice ab. And look, this whole square is for, look, there is a whole square outside of the bracket, this is there, and instead of this one we can write down 2 into, look, this is a square b square. Both of the indices of a and b, they are equal. In that case we can write down ab whole square. Okay, let us move into the next line. Look here, we know the value of AB, which is given. Okay, look, in your previous problem, what did you do? We, instead of this part, we introduce half and 2 because they are the value of a plus b and a minus b were given. But this time, since the value of a plus b and ab are given, that is why instead of that one, instead of introducing half and 2, we just directly apply the corollary. Okay, this is the way, this is how we relate our given information with our destination. Okay, so we just put down the value of a plus b, which is 8, and value of 2 into ab is 12. In everywhere, we just put down the given value. So 8 squared, which is 64, minus 2 into 12, which is 24, and 2 into 12 squared, which is 144. Okay, there we can see. Now 64 minus 24, which is 40. So 40 squared minus 2 into 144, which is actually 288. Therefore, we got the result 1600 minus 288. 1600 how? If we square 40, that means 40 into 40, that will give us a result 1600. Now subtracting 288 from 1600, we're gonna get the result 1312. Okay, let us move into the next problem. Look, the same thing, just like the previous problem, just here the value of a minus b is given, but in the previous problem the value of a plus b was given, and if b as it is, our destination is same as well. So we need to do the same, we just need to reduce it into order. So look at here, we reduce the order, and that we mentioned earlier, that I told you earlier, that always will apply the plus corollary of a square plus b square first if we reduce, or when we reduce the order. Okay, so let us apply just like the previous one, a square plus b square whole square minus twice 2 into a square plus b square. Look at this part, 2 into a square plus b square. This time for this one we're gonna apply the corollary 8, this one, because look here we're given the value of a minus b, because in the previous problem we're given the value of a plus b. Okay, so if we apply that on, what are you gonna get? Okay, let us move to apply that. If we apply that, we're gonna have a minus b whole square plus twice ab and whole square, definitely, as you can see here with the green portion, in the light blue portion for the light blue portion. Now minus 2 into a square plus b square, just like the previous one, we just put down 2 into ab whole square. Now what we need to do, we just need to put down the value. Look, every time we're not memorizing any consequences, we're not memorizing any technique, we're not memorizing when to apply which corollary. Rather, what we are doing from our very first problem, we are just doing one thing, we're just relating our destination, which is written in red, with our given information that are given in green. Now we just need to put down the value. Okay, let us put down the value, and we're gonna get, instead of a minus b, which is 4 square plus 2 into 12, because value of ab is 12, minus 2 into 12 whole square. Okay, 4 square, which is means 16, and 2 into 12, which is 24. Okay, there you can see 16 plus 24, which is 40 actually, and 40 whole square minus 2 into 144, which is 288, just like the previous one. So look, 40 square, which is 1600, that is solved earlier, and finally we get the result 1312. Okay, so kids, hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'm very much hopeful that this will be helpful for you to solve algebraic problem regarding to algebraic formulae of order 2. So all you need to do while you stay at home, you just solve some problem related to the problem that is solved in today's tutorial. Okay, because the more you practice, the more you will be adroit. Adroit means the more you will be capable that when to apply algebraic formula for which problem. Okay, and how to apply it more smartly, and how to solve any algebraic problem by applying algebraic formulae of order 2 more easily. Okay, without agonizing pain. Okay, so inshallah we'll see you in the next tutorial with some other problems and some other algebraic problems regarding to algebraic formulae of order 2. Till then, please stay safe, stay home, stay sound, and please keep me in your praying. May Allah bless all of us, and may Allah forgive us to overcome this hard luck situation of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Okay, all of you, please be blessed by Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Share your idea to build a happy Bangladesh.